Compatible with Volkswagen 1999 to 2022 Beetle, 2009 to 2015 cubic centimeters, 2007 to 2011 EOS, 2002 to 2003 Eurovan, 2008 to 2011 GLI, 1999 to 2015 GDI, 1999-2019 Golf, 1999 to 2022 Jetta, 1999 to 2019 Passat, 2008 to 2008 R32, 2006 to 2012 Rabbit, 2009 to 2013 Rattan, 2004 to 2015 Touareg, 2009 to 2019 Tiguan, 2002 to 2006 Cayenne. This front/rear door speaker wiring harness provide a quick and easy solution to upgrading your stock speakers and tweeters. Easy to install. Plugs it directly into OE harness, no cutting. Factory speaker connector. 2 wire to connect your speaker, the other end plug to the factory plug, but please do notice the polarity before install. Speaker wire cable make of copper, tin to copper wire to prevent these metals from being corroded by acids and alkalis. Perfect to replace your factory speakers. Larger positive and smaller female slide speaker connectors. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. Compatible with Volkswagen 1999 to 2022 Beetle, 2009 to 2015 cubic centimeters, 2007 to 2011 EOS, 2002 to 2003